I'm trying to start my C30. It's been in the teens for the last 2 weeks, and that's about when I started it last. So I tried starting it last night. I could not get it to turn over, so I plugged it in overnight. Brought the batteries home, charged them up, got them warm. So now we're gonna go give it a try. Look at those yellow lights. Yeah. Look at these starting instructions. If temperature is below 32 degrees, depress accelerator fully and hold. So, go pedal all the way down. Clutch and oh, we gotta start. All right. Come on! Come on! There we go. It lives. All right. Oh yeah. Yeah, 6.2. I fucking love this truck. Pretty nice for what it is. That independent front suspension, it is nice comfort wise, but you should see the shocks on this thing, or the struts. The bushings in them are gone. I don't even think the front shocks work anymore, or struts, whatever you want to call them, gas shocks. So it's just going on the coils. The ride's pretty nice. A lot of up and down. Can hardly rolls down one hill, can hardly get up the next. So this is a big hill climb right here. Put the camera down.